Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2020 KAWASAKI KRT800 TERYX4 LE. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This vehicle has 3,002 miles. We measured its charging output at 14 volts, the front left tire at 24/30 seconds, the front right at 20/30 seconds, the rear left at 21/30 seconds, and the rear right is also at 21/30 seconds. We took this vehicle for a test ride and found that it runs and shifts well. Our technician has noted that the aftermarket turn signals are inoperable, all four wheel bearings are worn, there is a leak at the front differential, and the shifter handle is broken. Additionally, the bushings make noise. We've posted the service repair order for this vehicle so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this vehicle's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are paint chips on the front bumper, vinyl peeling on both sides of the bed. This vehicle has one key and comes equipped with reverse. It's been upgraded with a Badland 5,500 pound synthetic winch, Badland 5,000 pound rear winch, Super ATV suspension limit straps, high lifter A-arms, a pile speaker system, a ram mount, an aftermarket LED light bar, aftermarket wheels, and a shift handle. This vehicle has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This vehicle is being sold as is without a warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or KAWASAKI, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.